Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Ondo Finance. It is one of the biggest real world asset project out there, and it has a really good backer. So first of all, what is Ondo Finance? So Ondo has a US dollar yield, US treasuries, and US money markets things. So they have three products, and they also have another lending and borrowing protocol as well. So each product has a different company back behind it, and each has a different website, so none of these are connected. So if there is a bankruptcy or anything, none of these are connected. So the most popular product is called US Treasuries, which is OUSG. As you can see here, it has a TVL of 119 million. So of all the things, that it is pretty good. So it's backed by founders fund, Coinbase and Pantera, so it is the biggest backer. Their funds invest into exchange traded funds managed by so these are the ETF. So they are using BlackRock and Pinko ETFs, which are pretty big regular service provider. Their funds are held in a pretty big names, which includes Clear Street, NAV, Ancora, StoneX. They also have been audited by the third party, which includes Trail of Pets, Cont, Stamp, Immunify. So they also have a leadership which includes from the such as Goldman Sachs, Bridgewater, Millennium Maker. So I will tell you who is from the Goldman Sachs later in the video. So first of all, let's try to look at their products. So they have a three products, as you can see here, and all of them are providing a pretty good APY. So if we look at their first product, which is called lending and borrowing, so this is practically lend and borrow stable coins against tokenized US treasury. So basically they built this product to use their stable coins, which is USDY. So users can use USDY to lend and borrow here. So another product which they have, it's called, as you can see here, let's see their ecosystem. So these are the all the apps which are in their ecosystem. So they have a pretty good ecosystem, as you can see here. So the ecosystem includes what they have partnered with and how they are working. So they have a pretty high ecosystem, so that is a good. So another thing which you need to understand, that you can use their protocol to earn over 5.1 APY, and the price, there is a big process on how it works, but you can do that. So as for their product USDY, the eligible are non-US individuals and organizations. So bank deposits and short-term US treasuries are what backing this asset. So as you can see here, it is regulance compliance, so it has a good backing and good information. So as you can see, they also have a transparency about fees and what's backing it and how they are kept under, and what are the exact assets which are backing it. So as you can see here, they are the Morgan Stanley, StoneX, and First Reason, and so on and so forth. So there another product which is pretty famous is OUSG, which also has big, you can see the trading fees is in here, and it has performed really well. As you can see here, the price of it has gone up. So these are the basically ETFs which are backing it. So this is, I think, their flagship product. And the last product which they have announced, but it has yet to come actually, is US money markets. So this has not launched, so we are not sure what will be its price, and the but potential APY will be around 4.74. So they also had their V1 walls, and which is active, but it is not currently working. So as you can see here, let's look at their team. So they have a team members of 222. So their CEO is named as Nathan Alman. So as you can see here, he has worked at Goldman Sachs, Chain Street Capital, and Prospect. So he has a good background. And their president is called Justin. So he has also worked at Goldman Sachs, Telos, and 78 Capitals, LMR Partners. So they have a good background. So let's look at their partnerships. So they did a big partnership with Sui blockchain. If you are not aware, that is also pretty big. So what so they are launching their tokens on Sui as well, so that is a pretty good for their ecosystem as well. So let's look at its tokenomics. So it is unclear what the actual tokenomics of this is, because I have been trying to find it but I could not. So I will be just going over its available on CoinGecko. So as of now, it has a max supply of 10 billion, and the current circulating supply is 1.4 billion. So if we go to the coin crypto rank.io, according to them, the rest of the supply will start coming out from January of 2025. So that is pretty good. So if we look at their vesting, as you can see here, the biggest coins are held in their foundation wallet. So as you can see here, it holds over 7 billion tokens. So that means that they are paying out, and they are paying out these rewards to the users, as you can see here. So most of the tokens are controlled by their foundation, so it is a bit safer because the wallet is public as well. So it means everyone can see what is happening and they can react that way. So it is a market cap of around 400 million. And let's look at the investors. So they raise around 34 millions, as you can see here, and they have a good investors, pretty big investors, as you can see here. So where to buy, and if you want to buy, so it the real world protocol is a big thing. Real world assets are a big thing in 2024, and I think this will be one of the project which will probably go up. So if you are planning to buy it, what to do? I think the best way to trade this would be to buy low. So I think you can buy it around 19 cent or 20 cent, and you can hold it for a bit term and sell it when it goes up. And I think it is a pretty good buy because it has a good backers and it also has a big demand. So this is a pretty good coin in my opinion. So let's look at its availability. So it's available on pretty much many exchanges, but not that many. So that means that it has a room to grow. So if it get launched on such as Binance or even OKX, I think the coin will probably go up. So this was just a quick update and quick video and quick breakdown of Ondo Finance. I hope you like my video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.